Recycling makes a difference, but avoidance is better. Not creating waste in the first place, or separating waste if it can't be avoided, effectively reduces the need for more landfills. Look to purchase recycled products because they use less water, create less pollution, and use less energy in their production than using raw natural materials. By doing this, you create a demand for recyclable products. In the Sunshine Coast Council area, we can recycle paper, cardboard, packaging glass, aluminium and steel cans, and plastic bottles and containers. Placing the recycling items into the yellow lid recycling bin is only one step in the recycling process. What happens to the recycling when it's collected by the recycling collection truck? It's taken to the Council's Materials Recovery Facility, affectionately called MRF, and sorted into the different material types. Rotating sieves and screens sort material based on size and weight. Magnets separate ferrous metals, those containing iron, such as steel cans and aerosols, by attracting and lifting from the sorting line. Electrical eddy currents separate the non-ferrous metals, aluminium cans, by repelling them off the sorting line. Materials then continue along the conveyor belt and are sorted by weight, removing plastics, paper and cardboard from other material containers. Optical sorting technology separates materials based on density and colour and assists in glass and plastic sorting. From here, it's compacted and fastened into bales, awaiting transport to the reprocessing facility. The sorting processes can be slowed down or even damaged by items such as plastic bags, gas cylinders, batteries, car parts, computer and microwave parts. This is why it's important to know what can be recycled in the yellow lid bin. New products are produced from recyclable materials. Paper and cardboard is pulped, sieved and made back into new paper and cardboard. Some recycled paper may be made into toilet paper. Aluminium and steel cans are melted down and made into new steel and aluminium products. Glass bottles and jars are melted down and made into new glass jars and bottles. If other types of glass, such as ceramics, mirrors, light bulbs and cookware, are mixed with the recyclable glass, it weakens the new glass product. This is why it's best to dispose of all non-packaging related glass in the general waste bin. This plastic bottle began life as oil, gas and coal in the ground. Plastic bottles can go back into a reprocessing plant and made into new plastic products. The easiest thing to remember is that all firm plastic packaging can be recycled. Not all hard plastics such as toothbrushes and toys can go in the yellow lid recycle bin. So stick to the firm plastic containers for recycling and you can't go wrong. Soft plastic is not acceptable for recycling because they can get caught around moving parts and jam the sorting process. That's why it's best to return plastic bags to the major supermarkets, where they're collected and recycled using specialist technology. When you put materials into your recycling bin, please don't put this material into a plastic bag first. For safety reasons, staff at recycling centres don't open plastic bags, so your recycling will end up in landfill. Try to avoid packaging of all kinds whenever possible, but if you can't, give preference always to reusable containers, cups and glasses, or containers made from recycled materials. Do more with less.